guys, welcome back or welcome to my channel. Today we are going to start with my savings challenges, and this is my cash budgeting binder where I will be stuffing in my savings challenges. The savings challenges I will be starting today is 1k savings, 10 rupees each in one bag, 20 rupees challenge, and 50 rupees challenge. Here they wrote 5 rupees, but let's change that. The money I will be stuffing in 50 rupees in each box. Every challenge there will be a different total amount of money. In the 1k savings, the total will be 1000. In the 20 rupees challenge, I printed out 2 of them because I wanted to save 4,000, so 2,000 in here and 2,000 here. That would be 4,000. And the 50 rupees challenge, the total will be 5,000. So I'm going to save 10,000 rupees altogether in these savings challenges. So let's get started. Let's add on for the 20 rupees and the 50 rupees challenge. We have all the cash envelopes for the challenges. This is for the 10 rupees challenge, 20 rupees challenge, and the 50 rupees challenge. Let's start with the 1k savings challenge. So I have only 2 10 rupees notes. I am going to be stuffing 20 rupees in this 1k savings challenge for now. Let's move on to the 20 rupees challenge. There are 2 pages in here, so I'm going to use this first page and the second page when this fills up. I have 1, 2, 3 20 rupees notes, so that's 60 rupees altogether. Let's stuff it. So now for the 50 rupees challenge. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have 5 50 rupees notes. So I'm going to stuff in 250 in the 50 rupees challenge. So that's 5 boxes in the 50 rupees challenge, but we still have some remaining money. So let's count it. It's 200. 300, 400, 500, 600, 700. I think 200 will go in the 50 rupees challenge and 200 will go in the 20 rupees challenge and 300 will go in the 10 rupees challenge. So let's stuff them. In the 1k savings, we are saving 300. So that's 1, 2, 3, 310, 320 in the 10 rupees challenge. That's 30 boxes altogether. There are 32 bags colored, so I'm going to keep a tracker somewhere here. February, I saved 320 rupees. Now let's move on to the 20 rupees challenge. We're going to stuff in 200, 1, 2, 220, 240, 260 rupees altogether in the 20 rupees challenge. So that's 20 more boxes. So I actually made a mistake. Instead of coloring 10 boxes, I colored 20 boxes, but that's fine. These remaining boxes will just be counted at the time when I will be coloring them pink again. Should have been here. For February, I saved 260 rupees. So let's move on to the 50 rupees challenge. 200 will also go into the 50 rupees challenge. 200, 300, 400 and 50. So for the 50 rupees challenge, I saved 450 rupees. So that is it for my savings challenges. I have saved 320, 260 and 450 in these challenges. I will keep going until these are filled up, and that would be a very fun and such a satisfying thing to complete. So I thank you so much for watching this video. Stay tuned for upcoming videos as I will be completing these challenges.